Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Journey. Here, we learn English together, one small step at a time. I am Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. I am so glad to be here with you today. I am Miles. How are you today, Lily?
I am wonderful, Miles. I am happy, I have my tea, and I am ready to talk. And you, how are you?
I am very, very well, thank you. I am ready too. And today we have a big topic, a really important one.
Ooh, a big topic. I love big topics. What is it?
Today's topic is, don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done.
Ooh, don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Wow, that is powerful, Miles.
It is powerful, and it is very, very true. It is about continuing, not quitting.
I love it. I love it. This idea is so important for learning English.
Oh yes, for English, for work, and for cleaning the house.
Oh yes, cleaning the house. Well, before we talk about cleaning, we want to say thank you. Thank you for listening to English Journey.
Yes, we are so happy you are here. If you enjoy our podcast, it takes 1 second. Just click like.
Yes, a like really helps us. And please subscribe too. Hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to our channel.
And share us. Share with your friends, your family, anyone who wants to learn English in an easy way.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, Miles, I am ready. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done.
Okay, let's begin. The first word is tired. Lily, what is tired?
Tired. Tired is when my eyes are heavy. I want my bed, I want my pillow, and my body feels slow.
Yes, that's exactly it. You are sleepy. You want to rest. The sofa is calling you.
Yes, I love the sofa. And done. What is done?
Done means finished, complete. The work is all finished.
Finished, yes. My homework is finished. My dinner is finished. The work is complete.
Exactly. So the idea is, don't stop when you feel sleepy. Stop when the work is complete.
This is hard, Miles. This is very, very hard.
I know it is hard. So let's think. Let's think about it together. Let's start with English.
Okay, yes. Our students are learning English.
Yes, and learning English is a big job. It is not quick.
No, it is not one day. I study, I listen, I read, and my brain gets tired.
Yes, my brain gets tired too. Last week, I read a book in English. 1 page, okay. 2 pages, okay. 3 pages, and my eyes got heavy. I wanted to close the book.
Yes, you wanted to close the book and watch TV.
Yes, TV is easy. English is work. But was the chapter finished? Was the lesson finished?
No, the lesson was not finished. So you are tired, but you keep going.
Keep going, yes, but how?
I am so tired.
Okay, good question. Maybe the goal is too big. Maybe the goal is read the whole book, and that is too big.
Yes, the whole book.
So let's make the goal small. Read 2 pages, or read for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, I am tired, but I can do 10 minutes. 10 minutes is small.
Yes, it is small. So you read for 10 minutes. You are tired, but you read, and then finished. 10 minutes.
I am done.
You are done, yes. Done for today.
Wow, that feels great. I am tired and I am done.
Yes, and how do you feel? You feel tired but you also feel good. You feel, I did it.
Yes, I did it. I did it. I feel good. I studied my English.
But if you stop, you close the book, you watch TV, how do you feel later?
Later. I feel bad
Bad? Why?
because I did not study. The TV was okay, but my English did not grow.
Exactly. You are tired and you are sad. And that is not good.
No, tired and sad is the worst.
I prefer tired and happy. Tired and happy is much, much better.
Me too. Okay, so small steps. The goal is done for today.
Yes. Now let's think about exercise. Do you like exercise, Lily?
I love to walk.
Ha! Walking is good. Walking is wonderful exercise.
Yes, I walk in the park. My goal, my plan, is to walk for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Nice. That is a good goal.
I start, I walk. 5 minutes, easy. 10 minutes, still good. 15 minutes, and I am tired. My legs are tired. I am hot.
Ha! I know that feeling. And then you see a bench. A nice, empty bench.
Yes! The bench is talking to me. Lily, you are tired. Come and sit.
Hello, Lily.
And I am so tired. So tired. I want to stop.
But what was your plan?
My plan was 30 minutes.
And right now you are at 15.
Yes, I am tired. I am not done. This is the moment, the hard moment. What do I do?
You tell me. What do you do?
I think about tired and sad.
Good.
I don't want tired and sad. I want tired and happy. So I keep going.
Yes, keep going. Maybe walk slowly, not fast, just slowly.
Okay, a small step. I walk slowly. 20 minutes. 25 minutes.
You are almost there.
30 minutes.
Haha.
Finished. Done.
Wow, great job, Lily. And now, how do you feel?
I am very, very tired. But I feel strong. I feel happy. I did it.
Yes, you reached your goal. You are done. Now you can sit on the bench.
Ah, yes. Now the bench is a reward.
A reward, yes. You worked, now you rest.
Oh, I like that. I like that. The rest is a reward. It is not quitting. It is finishing.
Yes, you earned the rest. Great job.
This is really good. Okay, English. Exercise. Oh no. Oh no, the kitchen.
Oh no, the kitchen!
After dinner, I cook. I eat. The meal is nice. And now I am full. I am so happy. And I am...
Very tired.
Yes, very, very tired. I look at the kitchen and there are plates, glasses, pots.
It is a big job. A big, messy job.
And my sofa. My sofa is calling. Lily, come, watch TV.
Ha! The sofa is always calling.
I am so tired. I think, maybe I will clean it tomorrow.
Ah, tomorrow.
The trap word.
Yes, tomorrow is a trap. Why? Because you go to sleep, you wake up, the morning comes, you walk into the kitchen.
And the kitchen is still dirty.
Yes, the dirty dishes are waiting, the pots are waiting.
Oh, and now I am not tired, but I am sad. A sad morning.
A sad morning. It is a bad start to the day. So let's go back to dinner. You are tired. You look at the kitchen. What do?
I say, no, Lily, not tomorrow. Now. I stop when I am done. So I wash the plates, I wash the glasses, I clean the table. It takes maybe 20 minutes. It is work. I am tired.
But
But it is done. The kitchen is clean.
yes, and now you go to the sofa. And how is the sofa now?
Oh, the sofa is wonderful. Wonderful. It is the best sofa. I am tired, but I am proud.
Proud. That is a great word. Proud means I did a good job.
Yes, I am proud. The kitchen is clean. I am happy. I can relax.
See, the hard choice, cleaning now, makes you happy in the morning.
And the easy choice, tomorrow, makes me sad in the morning.
Yes, exactly. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. It is about feeling good after the work.
I understand. The studying, the exercise, the cleaning, it is not always fun.
No, it is work.
But the feeling, the done feeling, that is the fun part.
Yes, the done feeling is the reward.
So, Miles, this is a big idea. But why is it so hard? Why do we always want to stop?
Good question. I think our body, our brain, wants to be comfortable.
Comfortable, yes. The sofa is comfortable. The bed is comfortable.
Yes, and work is not comfortable.
No, work is not comfortable. So our brain says, stop, go and rest, go to the sofa.
Yes, our brain says that. But comfortable is not growing.
Growing? What do you mean, growing?
Growing means getting better, learning new things, becoming stronger.
Growing is learning 5 new English words.
Yes, growing is walking 30 minutes, not 15.
Growing is a clean kitchen.
Yes, and growing makes us happy. Very, very happy.
So comfort now is sad later, but a little work now is happy later.
That is it. You've got it. You've got it exactly. Work now, happy later.
Okay, so I am tired. I want to stop. What is the secret? What do I do?
Okay, secret number 1. Remember your goal. Why did you start?
Okay, my goal. I started English because I want to travel, and I want to understand English movies.
Good. So when you are tired, think about travel. Think about those movies. Don't think about tired.
Okay, focus on the goal. Good. What is secret number 2?
Secret number 2. Keep each step small.
Ah, yes, 10 minutes.
Yes. Don't say, I must study for 3 hours. No, that is too big.
Yes, 3 hours. I would fall asleep.
Me too. Say, I will finish 1 lesson, or I will write 5 sentences. Small, easy.
A small goal is easy to finish. And when you finish one small goal,
You feel good,
yes, I am done.
and maybe you have energy for 1 more small goal.
Ooh, yes. Okay, 5 more minutes.
Exactly. Small steps make a big journey.
Wow, okay. The goal and small steps. Is there a secret number 3?
Yes. Secret number 3. The reward.
The reward. I love a reward.
Me too. The reward comes after the work.
Yes, the sofa is the reward after the kitchen is clean.
Yes, my reward is chocolate. I finish my work, then I eat a piece of chocolate.
My reward is a video. I finish my walk, then I watch one funny video.
That is perfect. The reward helps you finish. It pulls you to done.
This is great, Miles. 1. Remember the goal. 2. Take small steps. 3. Enjoy the reward after.
That is how you stop when you are done, not when you are tired.
I feel motivated. I feel strong.
You are strong, Lily. And you, listening at home, you are strong too. Learning English is a big job, and sometimes you get tired.
Yes, very tired. You study, 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 and you think, my English is so slow.
And you want to stop.
Yes.
But don't stop. Remember your goal. Why do you want English?
For travel, for movies, for a better job.
Yes. And take a small step today.
Learn 5 new words.
Yes. And when you are done, enjoy your reward.
Watch 1 short English video.
Ha! That is a good reward. You are working and having fun.
Yes. Oh, this feels so good. Keep going. Don't stop.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Yes, we do. Wow, Miles, this was a great, great talk. I feel ready to clean my house.
Oh, good. I am ready to finish my work for today.
This is a really important idea. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done.
That's right. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening to English Journey.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
If you enjoyed this topic, please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, hit subscribe and leave us a big like if this gave you energy too.
And we have a question for you.
Oh, yes. In the comments, please tell us 1 small goal you will finish this week.
Ooh, good question. Will you finish 1 chapter? Will you clean 1 room?
Tell us down in the comments. We really enjoy reading your goals.
Yes, keep going, everyone. You are doing a great job.
We will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep working.